Sup guys, with a brand new video. So today we're gonna play SLD Summer Sports 2. So today I'm trying a challenge of talking too fast. Talking fast. So here we go. 100 meter. My personal best is 9.53 or 54. If I'm correct. Let me see if I can break it. Good start. Maintaining the speed. I just need to maintain the speed. But I think I cannot maintain. 9.64. Slow. But it's fast. Into the medals. I just downloaded this game like today and I already got 12 medals. On my first rank, I ran a 9.54. Let's go down. Hurdles. Hurdles. Guys, like, I'm curious, like, do you guys like Athletic Summer Sports 2 or Speed Stars? I mostly like Speed Stars, but the game is kind of hard. Oh, job one hurdle. Oh, but I'm going. I'm leading the pack. Trying to run a 12. Oh, I broke my personal best. I broke my personal best. I think I broke my personal best. I think I broke my personal best. I think I broke my personal best. Let's see. Yeah, I broke my personal best. It was first 13.08. I broke it by 3 seconds. Yo, yet maintaining the speed was so hard. I actually maintained the speed. I'm trying to run a 12, but it's actually hard. However, it's 400 meters. I'm kind of slow here. There I go. I'm kind of slow here, guys, so please don't judge me. So please don't judge me. Let's see. Let's see if I can put my personal best. Oh, I'm leading the pack. No, I didn't break my personal best, but I actually came first. And I broke the world record. The world record is 4.545. If I'm correct. Let's go. The last hit. 100 meter. 100 meter. Let me just say relay. So here we go. I'm usually slow, but let's see. If I get a good start, I'm gone. Slow start. Slow start there. Got a slow start there. Got a slow start there. Got a slow start there. But I'm still. Everything is not. US is not opening. I'm actually from South Africa. Because US is leading. It's the US leading. And Britain following him. To be off. It's only us. I'm trying to come there first. Fourth. No. Yeah. Yo, man, Jamie. At the same time. Yo. So guys, comment again if you want me to run this game again. Playing it again. This time I'm gonna do Speed Stars. So I'm out.